Hello and welcome to the workshop. If you're watching this, you're probably getting ready to graduate from NMSU, so if that is the case, congratulations. If you're watching this and maybe you're not getting ready to graduate, it's good to have a head start on this information so that when it does come time for you to graduate, you'll know what to do. So welcome, my name is Jesslyn Ratliff and I am the director of the TRIO STEM H Student Support Services program here at NMSU. We decided that it would be important to provide information about what you need to do to successfully graduate from NMSU. Obviously, you have to successfully pass your classes and meet the requirements, but there are other things. And so this workshop will let you know what resources are out there, but also what you need to do to make sure you graduate. So first of all, I'm going to start by typing in a very important URL that you should write down or copy because you're going to need it if you're planning to graduate. So commencement.nmsu.edu. Okay, as you can see, NMSU already has a countdown to the December graduation. You'll also see there the undergraduate ceremony will take place on Saturday, December 14th, 2019 at 10 a.m. And then also they have a ceremony for grad school students too. But most of you or all of you are undergraduates, so this will be the important date for you to remember. Okay, so first of all, if you will, click on graduate information. You'll see here that there's an option to apply for degree. Okay, this is very important. This is so that NMSU knows that you're planning to graduate. You can't just show up to commencement and expect them to know that you're there. So you have to actually submit an application to graduate from NMSU, okay? So you click here, and you'll see that they have important dates here with very important things to do. So this is the one I want to highlight. The last day to apply without a $50 late fee is August 30th, 2019. This is a Friday, and it's very soon after school begins, so make sure that you don't get so caught up in your classes that you forget to do this. Make sure that you apply for your degree by August 30th, 2019. If you do miss the deadline, you still have time, but you'll have to pay $50. So you can see here that they have a October 1 deadline, but that will be when you have to pay $50. So do your best to meet this August 30 mark. Okay, so the next thing is you must submit your degree application. So if you come down here, you will see that in order to complete the online application, you need to log into your My NMSU account, click on your Student Records tab, and then find the application for degree. So it's very easy once you get to that step. The application is very simple, and that's where you will submit your payment because you do have to pay to apply for your degree. So for undergraduates, right here, you can see it's $35, okay? So make sure that you're actually going to graduate because you don't want to pay this $35 and then you're one class short or two classes short and then you're not able to graduate. So I suggest that before you do this, you meet with your academic advisor to make sure that you are actually going to graduate in December, because if you're not, then you don't want to waste the $35 to apply for graduation, okay? So meet with your advisor before you do this. Okay, so the next thing I wanted to show you, back up here on the Graduate Information tab, if you will, click on Graduation Fair. So this is important if you are planning to graduate because you're going to need a cap and gown and any other regalia that you choose to purchase. So this fall, the graduation fair will be held on October 29th and October 30th in Barnes & Noble on main campus at NMSU. So this is where you're going to go purchase the cap and gown that you need for graduation, but you can also order your diploma frame, purchase your commencement t-shirt. They have a lot of fun stuff for you to look at and purchase if you want to. Okay, and so keep in mind that the fair is October 29th and 30th, because if you are graduating and you plan to walk across the stage, you have to wear a cap and gown. Okay, so if you go back up here to the graduate information tab and then go down to this one that says during the ceremony. Okay, so this is a layout of what will actually be required of you the day of graduation. So basically they're going to make you check in, and then all of the students line up outside of the Pan American Center on main campus. And so there will be guidance for you, but just so you know, get there early just so you make sure you're not running late and running into graduation. Make sure that you're with the cohort that you're supposed to be with. And so come to this website just to get more information if you need to, because it's important that you be there on time, but also that you have your cap and gown on and ready to go, okay? Okay, so the next thing I wanted to tell you is that regarding your cap and gown, considering we are a trio program, we like to reward our participants with a graduation cord to wear with your cap and gown during the graduation ceremony. So if you are a participant in our program and you are graduating, you will get a free trio cord, and that is yours to keep. We hope that you will wear it proudly at graduation, because at that point you will be a trio alumni and also an NMSU alumni. So keep it for yourself to hopefully remember the trio program. We really like to honor our graduates with that gift. So we hope that you will come to our end of semester recognition ceremony. It will be on Thursday, December 5th, 2019. We don't have a location yet, but if you come to that, you will get your free cord and we will recognize you for graduating. So keep that in mind. Also, we are going to have a workshop this semester. It will be on the workshop flyer, and it's for those of you who want to go to graduate school. So if you're interested in graduate school, or if you're not really sure, you should attend this workshop, because they will help you to understand what's required of you, but also how to even get started in applying for grad school, choosing a grad school, all the things that you need to do to get admitted into graduate school, whether it's at NMSU or another institution. Okay, and then the final thing I wanted to show you during this workshop is this screenshot. So it has information. First of all, it has the website that I already showed you, commencement.nmsu.edu, so this is important. But also it has the link to the grad fair, which I already talked to you about, which is October 29th and 30th in the Barnes & Noble bookstore on campus. Here's the website for that. And then finally, I want you guys to know about the Graduate and Professional School Fair. So NMSU hosts this event every fall semester. And this is really so that our students have a chance to go scope out graduate schools they might want to attend, or professional school fairs. So it's like a job fair, but instead of employers, you'll be meeting with other universities, colleges, professional school administration, because they're trying to get you to go to apply for graduate school. Okay, so this event is on Tuesday, October 1st, 2019 at 10 a.m. until 2 p.m. on the first floor of Corbett Center. So I highly suggest you attend this if you're planning to go to graduate school. Even if you already know where you want to go and you've already applied or whatnot, I highly suggest you go because it's a great networking opportunity, but you can also see what opportunities are out there. Okay, so here's the website for that. Keep that in mind. And then the final thing, I just want to remind you, do not forget to apply for your degree if you're graduating in December. Okay, go through your My NMSU account by Friday, August 30th. If you miss this deadline, you have to pay $50. If you need help doing this, you can always come to my office. I'm in EC1, room 113. Or you can come visit any of our mentors and ask them for help because they can also show you, okay? So again, congratulations if you're graduating. Come to us with any questions. Make sure you meet the deadlines and make sure you attend the grad fair because that's where you'll purchase your cap and gown, okay? All right, well, thank you for completing this workshop. And I'm going to attach a short little quiz to the workshop just to, so that I know you actually watched the video, and it will count as a workshop for those of you who listened and watched my presentation. So thank you for sitting through it, and good luck to you. Please, please, please come to us if you have any questions.